Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you this delicious yet very simple tir ladu recipe. With very less prep time and just 5 ingredients, this tir ladu comes together very easily. It's not too hard or not too soft, just perfect consistency, and the color is also not too dark. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make this delicious, quick tir ladu. Try and use a thick bottom utensil, that helps to kind of roast as well as to make our sugar chachni later. So first I have taken about a cup of white tir and I'm going to roast these very lightly for half a minute to 1 minute or so, and these look great. Let's take them out. We want to try and maintain the color of ladus as white as possible, and that's why we have not roasted the tir much. Next I'm going to roast some cashews, and notice that I have taken here already roasted cashews, so I'm just going to simply kind of roast these for 15 seconds or so. These look great. Let's take them out. If you're using white cashews, you might have to roast these for 1 to 2 minutes. Once the cashews and tir are cooled off, we are going to make a coarse powder. I'm using food processor to make this coarse powder. You can also use the inching button on your mixer grinder. Grind it for about 30 seconds to 45 seconds, and here our coarse powder is ready. Look at that. Let's take it out in our plate. You may have noticed that up until this point in the recipe we have hardly spent any time cooking, and that's the best part. This is a very quick recipe. Our coarse powder looks great. Now let's jump into making the sugar chachni. Add about 1 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of whole fat milk. We are going to cook this mixture on a medium to medium high flame for at least 10 to 15 minutes until it gets nice and thick. We are not looking for exactly a 1 string sugar syrup. It's just enough that the tir ladus come together. So I have made sure that I switch between medium to medium high and sometimes very low, stirring in between continuously for about 15 minutes. Look at that, as the syrup falls through, it's not necessarily too thick. This is perfect. Let's switch off the flame and transfer this sugar syrup into our coarse powder. Now comes the important step, and that is to mix everything really well. You have to do it really fast before the sugar syrup kind of starts to cool off. Once it cools off, it's going to become really hard. However, we had not made completely 1 string chachni, and that's why our overall mixture is still kind of soft. Once the mixture has cooled off a bit and is manageable by hands, look at that, it's nice and crumbly. We'll start making the tir ladus. So apply some ghee and rub your hands like this, and take some portion of the tir mixture in your hands. The tir ladus are usually smaller in size since they have too much heat. So just take about 2 tablespoons of mixture and make ladus like this, giving them nice round shape. This looks great. Look at that. Similarly, we are going to make the tir ladus from the remaining mixture. With these proportions, you can easily make about 30 to 35 small size tir ladus. Though the tir ladus are a delicacy and mainly made during the Makar Sankranti, you can always enjoy them all year long. The good part is that these are semi-soft ladus, so it's great for older people and especially kids. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.